Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye. Hello, my brothers and sisters. How una dey from Untouchable Mama? I greet the house. Also, una dey enjoy yourself. Me, I dey enjoy myself. My brothers and sisters, another one don happen. I just see this post today. I just see am. Oh my God. Wetin dey go on? Wetin dey go on with some people? Wetin dey go on with some my people? Wetin dey worry some of our people back home? I just see this picture, my brothers and sisters. This husband wey oh dear my God, this husband wey beat him wife comot him teeth for mouth. He comot him teeth. Na wow. No, all these men wey dey use women take dey learn how to dey boss, they no see men outside. They no see men like them. The thing dey vex me. Mona no vex o. Mona no vex. The thing dey vex me well well. I no like men wey dey beat women at all. Once you just open your hand say beat woman, I don't dislike you. Na be that one. Because I dey talk am. We women, we get mouth. Na only mouth we get. We no get power. Power no dey. Which kind power woman want to fight man? Even though say you senior round, you no fit beat am. You no fit do anything. Na man na man. Man na man. Man na man. No fit. You no fit. Woman no fit at all say you wan follow man fight. Why some men no dey reason say na woman I no wan touch you? If you see say the woman even dey talk, dey do anyhow, why you not take yourself comot for house? I know say some women they go want make dem follow man fight o. Which hand dem get? Hand no dey. But you as a man, when you call yourself say you be man, behave as a man. Do as a man. Do as a man. Come on, instead of you to beat her like that, if you not see her, I'll put the picture because not be video now, just picture like that. Now don't still see her. The thing I just see, just dey vex me. Behave as a man. You still get sister. Tomorrow you still born. You still get baby girl. If person do your own like that, you go like her. You no like her. Now so you go beat am, go blow your eye. I don't know, my brothers and sisters. All these things, na me dey talk am. Before husband and wife say just I do, Mona first stay together. Stay together, the same house. Mona dey the same house. Mona see whether na character match. If na character no match, no way. Because all these things, me I believe say when the man and the woman they not stay together, because maybe the girl dey for a father place, the man dey for you, then they see each other. Maybe 2 weeks, a week you can't stay for my house. 10 days you can't stay there. Now they say they marry, which is very bad because una don't know each other character like that. Una don't know each other character because man wey dey beat woman. No be today start time. He don't dey blood. He don't start time. Don't dey do am before. And maybe this man don't dey do am before. The girl go dey think say if I marry and go change. And that one dey worry some of our guests, our women. That one dey worry. Then go say he go change. I believe say if I go fit change am. You know they change anybody. You no fit change anybody. Man wey dey beat woman, no, he no fit change. If he limit am small, you know they change. Now that one might be the problem where some of our guests then get. You go say if I marry him, he go change. Who tell you say he go change? And when you go don't remove one of your eye, now you go no say he go change. He not go change, oh. Any man at all, when you dey friend, if they use you as say it be like say they do bosser. You no go follow him man. Like a man wey be mate, may follow them. They do bosser. I say now you now want to learn, my sister. My sister, pack your body, pack your everything. May you run for there. The day where you go do, hey, now mortuary now you go there, mortuary because I say it go change, and all these things where they happen. Some of our girls, then they use their hand, they cause her. I want marry, my friend don't marry. Me with an go school. They know they hurry for marriage. They know they hurry for marriage. Stay, calm, find better one. Find the one where you know, say yes. If you did there, your mind go reach ground. Not be the one where go they use you and say you want the boss. Go use you till the lane. Eh? I just see and see, oh God, before Mark remove teeth for math, you will not say that beating he hot well. He hot well, not be saying a small thing. Huh? I don't know whether the whether he get brothers. If he get brothers, I beg. Hey, oh God, I don't know shall because person no fit just beat your sister like that. You go they look her. Huh? You go give her, may no say I see the pepper. Now so me I dey talk my own. You go give am back. May no say I see the pepper. How you go touch woman? Eh? Man wey really get brain, wey brain correct. You go know say woman na pepper body na dem dey. Talky na we dey. Now that one. Apart from that one, if they say make woman come fight, even woman wey dey for 20-something years, e no fit beat boy wey dey 15 years old. E no fit beat am. Because that God don't do that one. The power wey dem get, we no even get 1/4. We no get 1/4 wey the power wey men get. Na match we na we dey. Some women, if your husband want fight with her, maybe your husband they get misunderstanding. Now she na go first get us say, oh yeah, beat me now. You go dey tell her say you don't reach, you don't do. He go dey force himself say no, you must beat me. That one still there. I don't know what they worry some women. When you know say you know if you follow your husband fight, you know if you follow man fight. Why you go they push yourself? No, you go kill me today. No, you go beat me today. I know they leave you alone. They go they draw me come out. You know say some men and they not get patience. You go just say oh ja go. You go just start to the beat them. Some women, if you not get hand, you not get leg where you take follow man fight. You know they unless say the man say na man when they just put for chair for there. I don't know as I take talking. Now you go say you dey beat am. Eh? Which power you get? Which hand you get when you want to beat man? You know they, you know fit. I don't know what they worry this men. You know go follow men like you fight. Say you get power. If you know say you really get power, why you not go follow another man like you fight? May person for no say yes, you really get power. It command the teeth. See, I see blood for everywhere. My brothers and sisters, my sister there, more than not they follow any man. Your boyfriend or now your husband will say you want follow and fight. Where the power there? Even though say you say no, I get power. Where it there? Eh? Man, you know if you follow and fight. Huh? The power where God give them, you don't give them. Our own every month we take the throw away, what do with the throw away. So that power not there again. You know fit. Man is man. Eh? You know fit. If you see say your husband a person where they quit they carry hands say they beat you. I bet me you run for there. Oh. May you run. Now so me and they talk my own. May you come on for there before you go see yourself for cemetery. Eh? This life now only one time then they live. Oh. Because some people they believe say maybe another life day. Another life no day. Oh. Another life no day. Now I telling that time then with the watch out for that time where I did Nigeria. They will say another life. You know they oh. You know they egbema oho ma ojo bowe to bowe ohekbewe. If you don't get rest of mind for your husband house, find one way or another may take get rest of mind. Because all this run the running, I want run him, and I want run marriage, I want run go husband house, I want run go. If you run go, you go run come out. If you run go, you go run come out. You just carry your wife, just the beat and say maybe you dey I don't know what I'll take talking. Before man go remove woman teeth, my brothers and sisters, you know say that beating na heavy oh. Na heavy one. Ekpa be ni him agbon. Like me I not get body we man they beat I not get. I don't know as I take talking because all these things where they happen, it no good at all. It no good. If you be man, just sit down, make you take am. If person do unto your old blood sister, whether you go like am. Even though say your sister they very stubborn. If person do unto her, whether you go like am. Why you want do unto your own wife? Why you want do unto another man, another woman picking? When you know say if they do unto you, if you use your crow eye to see your sister with that teeth wey comot for front, with that eye wey be like wey you blow wey no. You know the thing say if person do am to my sister, wetin I go do that person? Why you wan do am to another person pikin? Why all these things? If una get misunderstanding, una sit down, una talk to una self. If una no fit settle una self, una find person wey go help una. Maybe get where una dey made mistake. If una say una no fit at all, or go your own, make I go my own. The best thing. Okay, as that one do another say he blow for where not supposed to blow now. They will say another one don't give up. Husband don't use the hand say your boy ya warrior. All these things, but you they look and see waiting they happen. Waiting because me I still they talk now when husband and wife no understand themselves, now all these things they go on. Because if really you understand your wife understand you, you know they happen. Kore no they come because when you no understand each other, now this thing they come out. And marry way use your force to enter. Now wahala every day go over you. Which can't be that one? See these two people now. I believe say they never get children now. Okay, you can't stick and say okay if they can't get children can't dey inside they see that beating where they happen every day, or once a week or once a month. They go happy. They no go happy. All these things say if I just dey see and the thing go just dey vex me, all my body go just dey tell me say oh God, why all these things? Why they happen? Men no dey do as men, women no dey do as women. Now they cause all these things so. Me I can't beg men from here. I beg una. Una no dey beat una girlfriend or una wife. They no get hand, they no get leg where they want to follow una. They no get. Now only mat they dey. Mat, we fit talk from here go reach next tomorrow. But we no get hand we want to fight. If you see say your wife want fight you, take your clothes. If now your mother has fair go, or you know your friend, even if now hotel go sleep. When they break, maybe she go down there okay. Then you go come back. That's now when you go there fight her, go there beat her. All these things is no good because one day when you go knock her for where you not supposed to knock her, you go enter one chance. Really. You go come enter one chance. You go say I don't know. I be not beaten like that too. I be not touched like that too. But it don't happen. And you go answer for it. That's why it still be for women. Women, please. If you don't love your life, me I don't know one can love your life for you. You not get hand where you want to follow man fight. Try to talk with your man. Not be say, we'll just say, okay, come beat me. You go come beat me. You go beat me today. You go do this one today. Try to talk to her. Not be saying that because of say, if you diverse, if you can't knock carry plate, they throw away for ground. 9 man want to listen to you. No. Try to call and sit down. Say this thing where they happen. So me I not like her. Why it can't be like that? Now talk to herself. And so women dey if they talk to her, I know they agree. He go say, go know me today, go hear me today. I go do it today. You get hand where you want to do it. You not get hand. Now only mouth now you get where you take talk. All these things is not good. See the beating where the girl receive now. See beating where he receive. See it before you go do that it now. Where money? You see? And that one me they talk where money now. 3 teeth and before teeth now come off for a mouth. How you go can't do that one now? You know say if we I don't know God. Do ya ekpi tan bi ni tete kan me parable say aragba o seriye. When you don't this eye, when you don't destroy your beauty don't come out because now your face now they see before they go see everything. You understand before they'll see your body. Person see you also see as if face fine lady, fine woman. Once this your eye, they don't do they don't panebita. It don't finish. Okay, see the teeth now. Okay, when you go outside now, maybe you with your friend now come out now go somewhere. If you go laugh for outside, they say you not get it. It be like old woman. You know see, you be get before. All All these things, una no dey use una body, una no dey give una body to men make dem dey beat. Huh? If your house no good, try to settle everything. If you say you try, you no fit, carry your bag. Men do high, amaka one is carry your bag, may you come out before you go see yourself for another place. Now true, me they talk, or maybe not because of say I don't know as I talk. Now true, now they talk because me I don't grow for house where they beat person. You now understand? I don't grow for there. So if I see person where they beat, the thing go they do me one kind. How you just open your two eye, do person like this? You feel quarrel. You get mad, take and talk. But no raise your hand. No raise your hand. Huh? My brothers and sisters, now just short one, I just get to talk because all these things, I see the other woman that day now, see what he do to your husband. Huh? This one now, see what he do to your wife. Huh? Every day, we dey hear many stories, something they happen. Now, no, they use una sense. More now use una sense now. Huh? More now use una sense. Women, please. Una not get hand to follow my fight too. You not get. Talk to them. You see, say the man no agree. And a man wait because me I believe say man wait fair. Man wait they beat woman. The time where they friend you, it still they beat you that time. Now so me and they talk on because before you marry him, you know the kind of person where it be. You know the kind of person where you with one go stay together. Huh? You know say no go change because man wait don't they beat you the time where you know. Hey, sorry hey. He go dey beat no time where go take change even though say he need down he dey call him mama wey don die for grave say he go change he no dey change oh evaje gweno egya fija wetin don dey inside your finger you no fit change am oh you no fit change am e fit limit am e no dey change at all so me if una know so na one beat woman. If una know say fight the hungry una, wanna go follow men like una. You know say na men like you now you dey deal with. Huh? Not be women. Man where they follow, where they beat woman. Oh God, I don't know as I'll take talking. I don't know as I'll take talking because when you know say that woman, you no get single power where you want to follow you fight. Why you not go fight man like you? Why you not go follow a brothers fight? When you know say okay, now brothers, now man like you beat her like that, remove it teeth. Hey, some men wicked though. Now so some women still be because that one where I still do yesterday, where you just remove your husband life. Some people wicked, My brothers and sisters, now just short one, just say me I just talk because if I dey see all these things, I'll say where will they go? Where will they go? Some people, then go they suffer for their husband house, inside their house for there. The press won't keep them. They know they come up for there. It go say it go better. It go good. Everything go better. Which time want take better? You don't they suffer for the past 10 years. You don't dey there for many years. Or your wema soto, you no go come up for there. Huh? So beating every day. God that beg go. Maybe I not get body. Me I not even get power self. Even to talk self, I not get. Now this one where I get most money until they use to they talk. I not get because I say man I can't just give me slap. It was fancy you ever. Huh? If you still they follow woman like you now, it's still they different because woman and woman now the same power now they get. The power we may get. Hey, oh cool. Wow, my brothers and sisters, mona be careful. Especially our women. Those who are where they stubborn, where just they stubborn go say, I go fight her today. Now me with her today. May I tell you, my sister, if you be that kind of person, back off because Osabwa get me down. Osabwa get me down. When go knock you for where not supposed to knock you. You go there for coma. What's they call it? You go there for coma. Because of say I want fight. And me with her today. You get hand. You not get hand. So if you know say you be that kind of woman, be careful. Be careful. And if you know say they follow man, you get husband where they beat you, where they use you as they use you to learn how they take the boss for feed. Abeg, run, no. Carry your load, make you run. Even though say you not carry the load, leave am for them, make you run, Run. First thing in your life, it dey very important. It dey very important because you wear on your phone when hair don comot for this nose. Na be bye. No another life, Me, I dey tell una. Those one wey no dey think before dem do something. Another life, that time wey we dey wash am for Nigeria. That one na film, na film. Another life no dey. Another life no dey. If you be that kind person wey dey get a dog or cat, you go know say another life no dey. You know say when cat don't give up, e don finish for them. Now so we human beings still be. Nothing different for them. Nothing different. So why you want use your life till they play? Go say no, it go change. Now so he beg me, say make I forget. I can't forget. Now I can't come back. Hey, and then know you wear or you're wearing. Now you go know say hey. Now that one we they call adio. And that one we they call adio. You go come and say forever and forever. You not go see anybody again. Don't finish for there because of waiting. The man beg you say he not go beat you again. I not go do it again. Next tomorrow he still do it. The other he still beg you. The other day he still do it. And you still there. God forbid bad thing. That's why I talk and reach my brothers and sisters. I just say I just quit do this one because any man or any woman where they fight man, the same thing they dislike them. I know they like her because you know so you not get hand, you not get leg where you want to follow and fight. Why? Talk with your man. Use your man. You not get mad. Tell they talk. Not be everything with we go they say we want fight. Use your man. Take talk. Use your man. Take talk. Now so it still be for man. The same thing. If I just say I say waiting be all these things. I beg me, me I dey beg all those men where they do like that. You know say you get hot temper, pepper body. You see say woman say want fight you. No, just leave her, bona. That way you go beat her like that. Bona. Ihu oniru where women where they say aragba o seriye. Aragba o na o say it don't finish. Now this face na be our beauty. When this face not there again, maybe one eye don't close, the other one maybe it just blow the one eye, all the liquid come off for there. You know they see again for the other one. It blow the other one. Remains more make cover. Oh, safe your beauty don't go. You don't go. More than they use sense. So my brothers and sisters from Untouchable Mama, I just dropped this little message. One love. Please do not forget to subscribe. Put your comments. Put your like. Everything you like, do it there. Everything is free. Share with your friend. Thank you for being there. I love you all. From Untouchable Mama. Remain blessed, my brothers and sisters. Bye bye. Thank you. Ciao.